his first little bath here. And he's being grooved. Daddy's giving you a bath. So they say from clean to dirty, so top to bottom. We're just gonna get up a little bit.
Okay.
Because it's gonna get in his ear.
Okay. Oh, he
What?
He peed. Okay.
Alright, that's all I'm gonna record. I'm gonna give baby bath now.